Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi! Ako nga pala si Ryan. Binabati ko pala si Ma'am Emily Dulay. Happy birthday. Ang pinakamasipag niyang tagapaglingkod ng nakaapi. Shider! Happy birthday, ma'am! Thank you po. God bless. Mabuhay ka like a dinosaur.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Emily! Sending my warm greetings all the way from Canada. More blessings to come and good health.
Hi, Madam! Happy birthday! Good health po lagi sa inyo and more birthdays to come and more blessings to come, Madam. I love you. Flying kiss natin. Love you. Say I love you. I love you. Yay!
Happy birthday sa pinaka-paborito kong manager na si Ma'am Emily Dulay. Ikaw po talaga yung favorite ko, hindi si Neil. Thank you po sa lahat ng natulong niyo po, sa mga share niyo pong wisdom, and sa lahat po ng tulong na binigay niyo po sa amin, especially sa akin. Ang wish ko po sana, ma'am, is good health and more blessing, and sana po marami pa pong birthday yung dumaan po sa inyong buhay. Thank you, ma'am. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ems. Wishing you all the best. I hope na marami ka pang matulungan na ahente.
Hi, Ma'am! Happy birthday po. God bless you, Ma'am. Okay
Hi,
na
ma'am.
yun.
Happy birthday po. God bless and good health po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you.
Hi, Ma'am!
Happy birthday! We love you! One.
Happy birthday. More sales to us.
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday po. Thank you so much sa lahat sa pagturo sa akin about everything about real estate. Thank you sa pagiging nanay for almost how many years, and sa pag-guide sa lahat, lalo na pag-close ng sales, di ba? So, nagkita lang tayo last May, I don't know, limot ko na, pero parang hindi ka tumatanda, no? Ano kayang agimat ng isang Ma'am Emily Dulay? So, ayun. So, coming from Pampanga, dito na ako sa Pampanga, so, nakakamiss yung ganun. Happy birthday!
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday po. Wishing you good health and long life po. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat. I miss you po and I love you, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. It's me. Kilala mo na si RJ. Ang pinaka-pogi mo naging ahente. Na bumabati lang po sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan po. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Ang wish ko is more blessings pa po ang dumating sa inyo and more sales to come. Yun lang po, ma'am. Bye-bye. I miss you.
Okay na. Hi, ma'am. Happy birthday po. May your days filled with love and joy. Thank you for your kindness, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. More birthdays to come and keep being healthy and keep being blessing to us and more birthday. Always be happy.
Ma'am, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Many more birthdays to come. Wish you good health. Wish you all the best. More blessing, more benta to come to us. We love you, ma'am.
Happy 66th birthday, ma'am. I wish nothing but all the best for you. Number one is good health, peace of mind, prosperity, like abundance of sales, and happiness. Thank you so much, and
Saranghe!
we love you! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Okay, basta.
Good afternoon, Ninang Emily. Happy birthday. Wish you the best. I hope okay lang kayo dyan. Stay safe po. And is love you. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, ate. More birthdays to come and good health. Lagi lang happy, enjoy your day. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito, sa iyong kaarawan. At God bless you po. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng mga tinulong sa mga pamilya. Maraming salamat, ate. At kami nagkaroon ng ating katulad niyo. At thank you, te, sa lahat-lahat talaga. Hindi ko yung makakalimutan. At I love you. Happy birthday to you, ate. See you.
Hi! Ate, happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat ng tulong sa amin. Lalong-lalo na kay nanay. Happy birthday ulit. I love you. Mama, chup-chup.
Hi, te. Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon na malakas na pangangatawan para marami ka pang matulungan tulad ko. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hey, ate!
Alright.
Thank you sa lahat, Mami.
Thank you.
Birthday, Mami.
Birthday, ate!
Thank you sa lahat, Mami.
Ate!
Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you sa lahat.
Thank you rin, ate, sa lahat ng tinutulong sa amin.
Happy birthday, ate. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Mommy Emily! We love you! Happy birthday, Ate! We love you po! Happy birthday, Emily! I love you!
Hi tita, happy birthday po. I wish you good health, happiness, and more blessings. And of course, more sales as well. Para po lagi lang maraming pera. Thank you po. Enjoy your special day and ingat po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Emily. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all your favorite things. I miss you. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Mami Emily from Bicolandia. We love you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Ems! More birthday to come. We love you!
Birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Mami!
From Bigalong Family!
Hi, Tita! I want to greet you a happy birthday. More blessings and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Tita Emily. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best lagi, Tita. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Sana po is wag po kayo magkakasakit. And more sales pa po. Para po sa mga batang nag-iintay ng school supplies tuwing pasukan. And isa po kami doon. Thankful po kami sa inyo kasi lumaki kami na lagi may school supplies. Yan. Thank you, Tita. We love you and God bless. Ma.
Happy birthday, Tita Emily. Stay healthy and may the Lord bless you even more. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for being such a blessing to everyone around you, for being a great lola, tita, and ate to everyone. Wish ko po is good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, tita!
Hello, Tita Emily. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Ingat po lagi. Happy birthday.
2, 3. Happy birthday, Mommy! Mama, happy birthday! Mahal kita palagi.
Happy birthday. Lagi sanang maraming benta at maraming matulungan pa at sana'y marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. Ingat po palagi, lalo sa pag-drive pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Thank you po sa lahat. Alam niyo po yan. And more bentas to come. And, more gala with you po.
Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you po sa pagbibigay ng allowance. Tapos sana yung laging malusog. Good health. Yun po.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mommy! We love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you. Good health. Stay safe always. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. From Gonzales family. Uy, kay
Happy birthday to the most
Happy birthday to the most amazing person in the universe.
Enjoy your special day to the fullest. May all your dreams and desires come true. Cheers to a year filled with blessings, happiness, and joy.
We love you.
1, 2, 3.
Happy Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Wish you all the best in life. In life. Love you.